So guys, in front of me is the Nasdaq 100 futures chart, and as you can see today we're trading in a red ever so slightly here on Tuesday. We're currently at 11,991, so we're just short of the huge psychological number up at $12,000. We were trading in the green pre-market and as the US market opened. However, in the past hour or so, we have dipped into the negative territory. I think we're just getting dragged down by the other indices. We have the Dow and the S&P 500 that are trading roughly, 0.8 and 0.7% in the red today. So I think that, the Nasdaq 100 has just been dragged down along with them. But we still got a few hours left of the US session to go. So you never know, the Nasdaq 100 may turn round. So where do I predict this market to go during Wednesday's trading session? Well, if I look at the medium-term picture, I am very bullish here for the Nasdaq 100. I am anticipating a second stimulus deal to be announced by Joe Biden's team very soon, latest probably January time, because quite frankly, the people and the businesses of America need this aid from the government. And, any money in people's pockets is very, very encouraging news for these big tech companies, because Christmas is fast approaching. And, if you give people money, they will buy products. At the end of the day, they are human beings, and one of the things that human beings do best is consume. So, I think some of these big tech names, the likes of Apple, the likes of Microsoft, the likes of Amazon, these companies will be, at the top of people's list going into Christmas. So I am expecting some really good quarterly earnings after Christmas to be announced from some of these big tech companies. Historically, it is a very bullish period of the year. So looking at the medium to longer term picture, the Nasdaq 100 should perform very well. And I do expect the Nasdaq 100 to retest the all-time highs, which is at that 12,400 area. We tested it briefly last Monday before then pulling back down and forming a shooting star. And we did go and test a 50-day EMA. But as you can see, as I'm going to circle on the chart now, we did find support there from the bulls here in the Nasdaq 100, which have sent the markets back up, trading just roughly around that 12,000 area. So that to me is very bullish. That tells me that the market doesn't want to go much lower than the 50-day EMA. So at the moment, we find ourselves trading in between the 50-day EMA and all-time highs. So, due to the fact we got rejected from the 50-day EMA last week, it makes sense that we go and retest the all-time high. If we can get a daily close above that all-time high, then that will then send this market to my take profit of 13,000. If you've been watching my videos for some time now, you'll know that I've had a take profit up at 13,000 for the Nasdaq before the end of the year, that is 2020, going into the new year of 2021. So the fundamentals are still very bullish here for the Nasdaq 100. The technicals are even better. We're in a new bull market. We're trading, 400 points below all-time highs. And we're trading above the 50-day EMA. We're trading above the 200-day EMA, and the RSI is looking very healthy as well. We're nowhere near considered to be overbought. So I am a buyer of a Nasdaq 100 futures chart, and I think that within the next couple of sessions we will attempt to retarget that all-time high up at 12,004.